Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Sanitas upper arm blood pressure monitor, the model SBM 49. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the bag. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Measures systolic, diastolic blood pressure and pulse rate. Start stop button. Function button up and down. Stores up to 120 measurements per user for 2 users. You can choose with these buttons, first user and second user, making it easy to track progress over time. We have the memory button and the time and date button. Peel off, okay. Here we have the connection for the cuff connector, silicone pads. It will stay very secure at any surface. And of course, the battery compartment. The cuff. I think the batteries is inside the cuff. There are the batteries. Adjustable cuff suitable for arm circumferences between 22 and 42 centimeter. The cuff connector. You can connect that here. Nice. I will show you later how you can install that at your arm. Operates with standard 3A batteries, making it ideal for home or travel use. And it is on. And now I need to adjust the date and the time. 12 or 24 hours. With this button choose the year, month, 12, and the date. And now the hour. Press and hold, it will go faster. And the minutes. If you replace the batteries, you need to adjust that again. And now you need to choose the first or the second person. First, color-coded scale guidelines for blood pressure levels. Let's plug it in. With auto function, conserves battery life by automatically turning off after use. Press any button, it will wake up. Okay, nice. So just press the button to wake up the backlight and press again and it will start. Simplified controls for quick and hassle-free measurements. Stay calm. And we have the results. 74 it is the pulse, 86 the diastolic, and 142 the systolic. I don't think so. I am in a calm position right now. Okay. 0, pressing this button again, and it will start. Provides a practical and efficient way to stay informed about your blood pressure and heart health. Its combination of accuracy, ease of use, and advanced features make it an excellent tool for personal health management. And again we have the results. And with the memory button, you can check. We can see the icon for the morning, the evening, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the average value. And again 0, starting the measurement. Irregular heartbeat detection alerts you to potential arrhythmias during measurement. Large display, easy to read LCD screen displays results clearly, even for users with vision challenges. And that's the Sanitas upper arm blood pressure monitor. With its reliable measurements, easy operation and helpful memory function, it's an excellent tool for keeping track of your health at home. Whether you are monitoring regularly or just starting your health journey, this device offers peace of mind with every reading. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more health device reviews, wellness tips and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.